here is an EDM drill in action at Eurospark. This machine is available from stock here, £25,000, very competitively priced for the technology that you can see in action. Now, why would you use this process? Well, if you can see here, what we're doing is we're drilling through this plate. There's no contact between the electrode and the material, it's just microns in between the two. Now, of course, with this process, any semiconductive or conductive material can be drilled, and these electrodes generally tend to be made of brass or copper. Now, the diameters that you can go down to, you can actually go down to 0.1 of a millimetre when you're drilling holes. Where's the applications? Medical sector is one they've recently sold one of these machines into, where they've been drilling through needles, very, very small holes. Also tool makers where you need to get small holes. Even when you need to get a long, deep hole into a part, you've got a stroke of around about 500 mil here. Of course, you've got to take into account the length of the electrode as well. We used deionized water in here, which there is filtration on here, so you can be assured that the water is pure. The control is very, very simple to use, very, very straightforward. It sits in a really, really tiny footprint, and I can see many, many applications where a machine like this would lend itself, and it's available here from stock. It's just £25,000 from Eurospark. Contact them at their website at eurospark.co.uk.